Family, give it up for our volunteers, give it up for our contestants. Our contestants all ready. But wait, we cannot have a competition without judges. So right now we're gonna welcome from our culinary department, making all of your food here on board, our celebrity panel of judges. We're gonna start with ladies first. We're gonna welcome Jane. Jane to the stage. Give her one round of applause. Secondly, we're gonna welcome Angel. Angel, come on down. And then last but not least, Arton, come on down. Now, we need to find out a little bit more about our celebrity panels of judges. You guys, I need you to tell me what it is you do here on board, so that way everybody can recognize what they have tasted that you have cooked this vacation. Where do you work, Jane?
I'm from Benki. We make the chocolate and the ice cream.
Responsible for all the chocolate and ice cream on board. Right here, we have Jane. Moving over here.
Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from Honduras, and I'm the one to make the salad for the buffet in the dining room as well.
He takes care of all of the salads on the buffets, and anywhere you see green, this man is in charge of it. The money, no, but the food, yes. And you, my friend?
Hello, I'm also from Peru. I'm working at sports bars. I'm the chef in charge of this.
Now, listen, the sports bar, it's a hidden gem. I don't think many of us know, but there's a fantastic menu in the sports bar, and this gentleman is in charge for the food there. So if you have not experienced the sports bar, make sure you stop by there. It's on deck 8, going towards the gym. But don't go to the gym, just go to the sports bar. Give it up for these amazing, amazing celebrity judges this afternoon. Now, it's time to meet our teams. First and foremost, we're gonna put our hands together for team number 1. You have Krupala and Tejas. Come on down. They're gonna make their way. Come on, family, make some noise, make some noise. They're gonna head on down to table number 2. Team number 2, we have Ilan and Ella. Come on down. And team number 3, Ellen and Val. Now, teams, this is a very, very important challenge, but we're gonna go ahead and give you some instructions before we meet our teams. Box challenge. What is going to happen once we go down the line and meet our amazing teams? We are then going to have you put your hands on the box, lift the cover, and under that box, our chefs have put together some different items that you're going to create with. But first and foremost, before we do reveal these creations, I want to know a little bit more about you. What's your name? Where are you from?
Valerie, Tampa, Florida.
Valerie, all the way from Tampa, Florida. And your name is?
Ellen, Washington, D.C.
Okay, from Washington, D.C. Brilliant. Brilliant. Are you excited? Perfect, great. So, now, did you know that when you booked this cruise that you were going to be in the MasterChef competition?
Paid $100 to get on here.
That's right, don't lie, stop telling stories. Because now all these people are gonna go to reception and complain. Way to go. Awesome, but you know what? You did it, you mastered, you aced the quiz, and you made your way up here. What I need you to do, before we lift this box up, I need you guys to think about a team name for me, okay? Think about a team name, okay? We're gonna move on down here to team number 2. Team number 2. What's your name?
Anna, from Ecuador.
Anna from Ecuador. And your name is?
Iranit from Canada.
What part of Canada are you from?
Toronto.
Shut your face, we're neighbors. Do you know that? I live on the other side of the lake, clearly, because I'm not Canadian, but it's okay. If I didn't have to drive around the lake, it would be an hour away from you. Eh? It's okay. It's all right. Now, did you guys know when you booked this cruise vacation that you would be on stage and possibly become MasterChefs at Sea? Did you know that?
No, but we are ready to win.
Is that true? Of course. Come up with a team name. Moving on down here. Team number 1. What is your name? Where are you from?
Tejas from Long Island, New York.
From Long Island, New York. We're kind of neighbors, but about 7 hours apart. And you?
Krupali from Long Island, New York.
Hold on, wait a second. Do you guys know each other? Husband and wife. Well, How long have you been married?
You asking?
Nobody, you don't even know.
It's 19.
19, you guess. 19 years to each other. Yeah, you guess so. Okay, that's cool. Do you love him?
Absolutely.
Okay, that's beautiful. Oh, that looks great. Go ahead, put your hands on the box teams. On the count of 3, we're gonna lift those boxes up. We're gonna start the timer as well. You're gonna have 5 minutes to create a creation based off of the ingredients under that box. We're gonna lift those boxes in 3, 2, 1, go! Now the 5 minutes has begun. You have in front of you strawberries, chocolate, cream, crepes, and sprinkles. Begin your challenge now. Get it going. They're very focused, very focused. So again, you're making crepes, so you have to be as creative as you possibly can. Something, oh, whoa, look at this technique right here. Something tells me they own a restaurant. I'm just gonna guess. Moving over here. Something tells me that they don't know anything about restaurants. Over here, she's slicing the strawberries very thin. You're fanning, it's not, oh, good job. Oh, be careful, the board's turned, be careful, easy. There we go. Now, it looks like you guys have, you have to help her, ma'am. It's okay. You're doing great. Just keep letting her do all the work. That's fine. Here we go. Team number 2. Where's the fruits? You're not gonna put the, So what? I'm gonna come on down here. Look, I may have spoken too soon about the restaurants. Can you tell me what's going on here? What's happening? Exactly. Here we go. Moving on down here to number 2. Hey, what you doing? The what? The best decoration. I'm just gonna go down. Wow, how are you doing with time? You know, that's a good question. You got about 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Because I think you're gonna need it. Ma'am, you could use, those, So, what? Have you noticed every time I come to this team, all I can say is, what? Let's see. Wow, that's nice. Did you go to school to learn how to slice strawberries? No, I'm on a diet. I'm trying to get down to my birth weight, thanks. Here we go, moving over here. Wow. Yeah! I was a little nervous, but you know what? That's looking good. Did you not just hear me? I'm on a diet. Birth weight is the goal. You guys got 1 minute left. 1 minute left, don't panic. Don't get nervous. Wow, look at this. This is almost like what would you call this?
Strawberry masala.
Strawberry Marcella. That's very beautiful. You've almost gotten more ingredients on the table than actually on the plate. That's okay. Let's see how we're doing on time. I think we're near at the end. Just under 1 minute left. Under 1 minute left. Teams, you look like you're ready. Over here, you're still frantically cutting away. Be careful. Can you, no, that's not real fruit. No, you can't use that. That's a lawsuit waiting to happen, man. No, no, no. That's what they do in Tampa. That's okay, there we go. We're counting it down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is time. Oh my goodness. Wow. You guys. This is amazing. So now, what we need to do, we're gonna have our amazing entertainment team take your dish down to the judges. The judges are gonna have a look at the dish, and then of course, they are going to decide who will be the winner. First and foremost, what would you call this dish right here?
Special.
You took the words right out of my mouth. Wow. And would you agree? Is it special? Yeah? Now, what was your plan of attack going into this? What were you thinking?
I put her in charge first.
What were you thinking when you created this dish?
First is with whipped cream and
Right. Moving on down to team number 2. Wow. So, what is the name of this dish?
We did an MSC boat. You see, this is a boat. This is the sea here. This is a dolphin.
Dolphins? Have you guys been smoking the wacky tobacco? I don't see a boat, a dolphin, or a sea there. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's fine. Don't you worry, we're gonna take your dish down to the judges in just a moment. My friend, what would you call this?
Long Island
Iced tea. That's what happened if you have too many, no? Now, what was your thought going into this?
Just use all the ingredients.
And that you did. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Team number 1. Let's bring team number 1's dish down here to the judges. We're gonna take it on over to you. Let them see that. Now look up at the screen. You're gonna get to see this dish close up and tell me if they were drinking too much. Yes. Look at the judges. Look, he said. Now, that's okay. It's beautiful. Judges, have you deliberated? Family, no. Elvis, can you pick that up and kind of hold it forward so everybody can get a good glimpse of it? Don't let it fall off the plate. But let everybody see that just a little bit out there in the audience. Look at that. They were like, that was team number 1. So we're gonna bring team number 2's on over. Team number 2's is coming on over to the table. Now, keep in mind, when the camera hits this one, this is an MSC boat, she says. There's a ship. There's a ship. There's the ocean, and there's dolphins. Can you spot the dolphins? Anyone? Can you? Where are the dolphins? They're not the crepes. That's team number 2's. We're gonna take it back. That's okay, you got a fan club right over there. They love you. Wow, that was beautiful. And last but not least is going to be team number 3. Team number 3. Now this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the presentation. Yes. That took lots of, well, I believe only one person on the team created it, but you know what, it's beautiful. The other person was there for moral support. Judges, have you seen enough? Yes? Okay, we're gonna take this one back. Now, the judges are going to deliberate. It's gonna take them just about a couple more moments to do that. But while they're doing that, give these amazing teams a wonderful round of applause. There can only be one winner. But it takes a lot to get up here and create a ship out of strawberries and grapes and chocolates. Now, if you would have said this is the MSC Seaside, we would have probably had to send you to the medical center, but you didn't say that. The judges have come up with the decision, and it was a very, very tough one. What's this? All right, I need a drum roll. Drum roll, family, give me a drum roll. The winner of MasterChef At Sea. Drum roll. That was horrible. Let's try it again. Drum roll. It's none other than team number 2. Oh, that's right. Give it up for team number 2. They are not walking away empty-handed. They have bragging rights for the rest of the cruise vacation. And of course, they are our MasterChef champions. Also, give it up for your runners-up doing a fantastic job as well. They were wonderful. Don't you forget, if you see them around the ship, let them know